You go to le.utah.gov and then go right in the middle at the bottom, click on the calendar, and then you go to the day. So this is today, and you will click on the meeting that you want to participate in. So make sure you know which meeting, because there are several meetings that go on that day. So I'm going to click on this one. And to get familiar with what they're talking about, it's always helpful to look at the agenda and see when they plan on speaking on the issue that you want to give public comment on. So then you go to the live participate in the virtual meeting right here, or you could just watch it. So I want to participate, and I type in my name and email, and then I can join the webinar. And when they open it up for public comment, you'll want to raise your
There will
hand
soon be a publication indicating what's out there as far as schools
right
and
here
where they are in terms of
And then
unreinforced
they'll call on
masonry and
you
those exposures,
to
and
give comment.
working with them to make them aware of FEMA grants that